Then, yung mismong interview sa mismong US Embassy sa may Rojas Boulevard. Doon, haba nung pila, observe lang ako, happy lang ako. Pero talagang ang pinaka-secret formula for me talaga, alam kong ma-approve ako. Na formality na lang yung pagpunta ko doon. Pero sure naman ako, wala naman ako tinatago, nakakuha ko yun. So, mindset talaga, mindset. Ang dala ko lang talaga, ito, same thing. Yung 160, passport ko, same thing. Wala akong dalang anything. Pinanindigan ko talaga. Haba ng pila, nakikinig nga ako. Kukunin yung passport mo sa unang window. May unang ganon. After that, tsaka yung actual interview. Punta ako sa window 28. Pero guys, grabe nung nag-aantay ako dun, nakikinig ako. Ang napapansin ko mostly na nade-deny, yung parang alanganin yung sagot. Matanda na, yung iba parang kinakabahan. Yun, sa job or something, hindi ready. So they were assigning, I was assigned sa window 28. It was a woman who interviewed me. So, nakasmile pa lang kasi wala pa lang talagang yung natin as a realtor. Okay, gato yung nangyari. Hi, good morning! Yan, bigay ako. Tapos passport please. Okay, yan, bigay ako. Nakangiti ang ganyan. Okay, so, what's the purpose of your visit? Tapos sabi ko, actually for a leisure vacation with my family. Ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, oh, where are you heading to? What state? Tapos sabi ko, I'm going to LA. Ganyan. Tapos, tinanong agad nila is, parang, do you have a relative there? Sabi ko, no. Tapos, sabi nila is, what is your current job? Where do you work? So, sinabi ko nga, I'm with Shang, ganyan. I explained nga yung job ko na I'm a manager, I handle people. So, I just showed them na parang I have all the reasons to go back here because of the stability or the job that I have here, the career. Binireview niya, okay, you were working from a previous company. So, what happened? Ganyan. Sagot ko lang is better opportunity, salary, allowance, and commission. So, who am I to say no, di ba? So, yun. Okay, ganyan siya. Tapos nakikinig lang akong ganyan. Nakangiti ako the whole time na nakaganan ako. Inaantay ko kasi. Then sabi niya, oh, is there any other travel you did? So, yeah, I went to Thailand for my birthday. Sabi ko, with my mom. Ganyan. Nagre-review siya. Sabi pa ako sa kanya na, Miss, can I add more? Ganyan. Kasi may konting pause. Sabi niya, yeah, sure. It's my nephew's birthday this coming December. The plan of going. And we're going to Disneyland and I don't really wanna miss it. I wanna go to Disneyland. I don't wanna miss his birthday. Tapos sabi niya, okay, understood. Ganyan siya. Okay. Sabi niya, alright, your visa is approved. Please expect your passport to be delivered within a week. Ganun. Sabi ko, huh? Really? Ganyan ako? Thank you. Ganyan, ngiti ako. Tapos, maglalak nga, umatras ako. Ganyan pa ako. Bye-bye! Ganyan pa ako. Kasi sobrang, girl, talagang nailed it. Isang tanong, isang sagot, tapos konting kwento, tapos very talkative lang ako. And talagang, ano ko talaga dun, binenta ko yung self ko, yun yung pakiramdam ko na first impression So, talagang